Now when people are attacking me, people are abusing me, people are trying to destroy me, did I go and start shouting at Museveni? Did I go and quarrel? No. When he invited me, I went, I sat.
Kajotia donga, Jotia yeta, Tini mo, Amia Urubun Museveni, Meo Kipi and Jotia yeta.
People should leave matters of the presidents to the presidents. Don't involve yourself in things you don't know, you don't understand.
Omego, ako bini, kako pame, juame adam giromu beru president ya laro, yin bin mot, we jono lar, kupame roma damga shalo president.
I started this journey knowing full well what it could entail.
Anasha wotani, kununua ngiu, willa metero, da yigere pire.
I took first my political leaders to where I want my body to be laid down at the end of my life.
Apura cha wotani akwanyo tela me party mesha bashi atewu na kakogoro ateko ni wotadunga na shagoni kagi no be the right biri kere wuru tututi en papa.
I have taken my children, I've shown them where I want to be laid.
Dogate kwanyo tiro na da atitiro kana me yugo papa ye da atitiro ni I
will repeat again today here. I want to be laid at the feet of my father.
Doctrina kubilangi ni awudu me represent Uganda kagi norongo le yo miru kero tutien papa periability ene me punyu ko me wibie.
If I'm not afraid to go in the ground in a kokoro, why should I fear standing for election? Why?
Kadum petia luru me wud piliel. Tutien papa kana mo yigeye ngame do wana tia chunkere anda romluoro.
I am going to contest in this election and I'm using my brains, I'm not using force. I am going to contest against Museveni or against anybody else in 2026. Whether you like it, you don't like it, Akena's on the ballot.
Langi tida mitingi wuruni Akena yamalo mechung da tika kira da mere karijo akelu Museveni unyodoka loko ngatukene dano na do mirungeni Akena biruko mechung mebiru president na Uganda.
And I'm going there to make a difference in their lives.
Dan wutada wutuni anero ni poga tie jemo bala pol harami dukela loga.
My problem with all that took place is that people of Uganda are being exploited by people who are cheating them.
Gina don't want you take a law. Jome Uganda jote buligile utusha manuang eri jo pete yiriko.
And if you want to defend those who are destroying those who are helping the people, I am going to expose you all over Uganda. All the borders you see, those people are being cheated, they are being robbed.
Kayinu shui mechunga chalonga tamea gwoko jua metia unu jome Uganda ayeri okuna le akwanyo barania ikumi tedonga le.
Members of parliament are crying with 18%, but the border is going for 48%. What is right? Is there something justice in this world?
Kana member me parliament ushuru kitiano no papa sana para dango chukoriye edo me border tie wuri piera ngwenu ya bor munu do wano ko burungoye.
And border is what people move on. How many people go to hospital by border? How many people go to school by border? How many people go shopping by border? Everybody uses border, and those are the ones who are being most exploited.
Wuri tingi ni jo longa wano biru kanne gina yiri wuru ke ni biru border edo kadu mutia ketu magata la take mi ushuri kumgi.
So you support those who want exploitation. I am going to support the exploited, and there are more. You wait and see at the end of the day.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.